sodium hydroxide. Dimethicone. Dimethicone? Cetyl alcohol. Stearyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol. What's up with all this damn alcohol? What's up, YouTube? Thank you for watching me today. I really do appreciate it. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. And also, I love to hear any comments that anyone wants to leave for me. So please go ahead and do so. Ring the bell for any future notifications, and let's get into this video. So ultimately, I decided not to get no lotion. I'm just going to stick with my homemade stuff at home, which has very simple ingredients, by the way. So y'all saw the ingredients that I listed. You got your basic stuff, water. Some of them had beeswax in them. The cocoa butter had cocoa butter, mineral oil. Okay, that stuff that I know what that is, I could identify. But the rest was like a headache. Now I'm thinking, like, not only does this lotion have all these ingredients in there that I don't even know what they are, but then it's leaving my skin dry in the middle of the day. Not even in the middle of the day, probably about 2-3 hours after I put it on. Oh, and don't even get me started on the winter. Ugh, I cannot find any lotion to keep my body moisturized in the winter. It doesn't exist. I have to resort to shea butter. Yes, I have to use shea butter. Shea butter is the only thing that's thick enough to keep my skin moisturized during the winter months. But I will be honest though, I kind of don't like the way it feels. Shea butter by itself is really so thick. I really don't like that. Like, you put it on and then you like try to feel your arm later throughout the day, and it's like, you know, your hands kind of getting stuck. Like, it's so thick. I really don't care for that. So I found a way to loosen it up a little bit, make it feel a little bit more smoother, but also keep the heaviness that it has. So I decided to just mix it up with some olive oil. So I'm going to show you my shea butter and olive oil bars. I know it's very important to moisturize your skin, so I'm going to replace my lotion with not only just the homemade products that I make, but also one of my favorite products. I love this thing. I really do. The Bumblebee. Correction, it's called Scrubby. I like Bumblebee better, but I'm still gonna call it Bumblebee. Yeah. It smells so good. And this lasts me for some weeks too. Hey, this is so easy to use. With this, you don't need any lotion. You just put it on in the shower, just rub it down your arm, just that one strip, and then rub it in your skin. I'll show you. Now I'm not gonna lie, this little guy, he does cost a little bit. I think it's like $5 or $8. Let's see how much it costs. Y'all, please excuse the noise going on over there. I have some clothes in the dryer, so we're gonna have to work right through the noise. Okay, $8, $9. But the thing, here's what you do. Make sure your boo knows that you love these, because mine knows, right? So now every birthday, Mother's Day, Christmas, every special event where he's giving me a gift, it's one of these. So I just rack up. I have 2 of them in my bathroom right now. And then look, don't just let your boo know, let your mama know, let your daddy know. Let your sisters and brothers, cousins, best friends, let everybody know. So everybody would easily just go and get you one. And you could just save them. Mother's Day's coming. I'm about to get me one. I just remembered. Lush's closed. The whole mall is closed. Oh, wait. I wonder if he could buy them online. Let me see. No worries. You can get it for me online. I'll let him know. I don't care that it comes here past Mother's Day either way, as long as I get it. Now let me show you how I make this homemade body scrub. Very easy to do, simple ingredients. You're gonna love it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful to anyone else out there who's trying to replace their lotion. Go ahead and subscribe below if you didn't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.